everybody, what's up? Donnie B, Learn Pro Recording. Hey, welcome into the studio today, ladies and gentlemen. You know, Learn Pro Recording, man, the site that not only shows you how to do some recording, but how to get paid for it. Let's do this. Hey, I wanted to tell you, this is going to be real quick today. I wanted to talk to you all about something. First, let's run the intro. We got to run the intro. It's a rule. It's a law. I guess. I don't know who made up these rules for YouTube. But anyway, let's run the intro. Back, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, the reason that I did that thing in the beginning was to show a point that this is something I do. Everybody doesn't do it this way. I do it this way. Okay, we have a big session coming in tomorrow, full band. Today I'm setting up the drums. I like to take my time and set up the drums and get the drums sounding really good before the client even gets here. You know, even if they bring their own drums, I use my drums just to dial some stuff in, get some things, just to make sure I got my mics, the mics that I want, the microphones that I want. Let me show you my track sheet. I'll show you my track sheet right here. So that is actually my track sheet. That's the thing that I make that the day before. I put that together. I think about what microphone I want to use on the kick drum, depending on the genre of music, what mic I want to use on the snare, what snare drum I want to use, what, the preamp I want to use. Do I want to use an EQ? Do I want to use a compressor on the kick? Yeah, it goes on and on and on. I take a lot of time to get my drums together, to get my sounds right. What I do when I'm setting up is I play music that I feel is consistent with the genre of the music that I'm going to be recording. That way I have this in my head for when I'm dialing in my snare drum. I have this in my head for when I'm dialing in my kick, when I'm, EQing and compressing it. I want it to sound like Led Zeppelin. This band that's coming in is kind of like that genre of music. They actually asked for a Led Zeppelin type sound, and we actually have an old Ludwig drum kit. I've got a Rogers Dynasonic snare that I put on. It's gonna be great. But I listen to this stuff along the way while I set things up. This is important. Look, it's all about planning. Okay, the more you can plan that your band is, the band's coming. They don't just show up and go, hey, we want to record. That never happens. Once, but it didn't work out. But that you know what's coming as an engineer and a producer, especially in your studio. You know what's coming in because you booked it, and so plan it out, have things planned. And this is why you have to be consistent. You have to have a particular sound about you as a producer, studio owner, and as an engineer. People have to trust you, man. They have to understand that you are the guy you're the person that's going to get them the sound that they're looking for, and that's why these bands come to this studio. We don't advertise. Other bands go out there and tell their friends and their family where they recorded their songs, and then those people call us because they want to record their songs here because we get that particular sound. This room, our Studio A at ES Audio Recording Studios, I'll throw up a little graphic right here in a minute. That's good. That's known as a drum room. People come here to record their drums, then they usually go somewhere else and record other things. They might record their guitars and vocals at home. They might come back here for a mix. They might mix it home. They might send it off to their mixed engineer. However it works. But we probably record more drums than anything else here. Yesterday I was really fortunate, man. I got to work with a great artist I've been working with for about 10 years, Adam DeLisi. I'll put his link here. You guys can go look him up. Man, he's pretty cool, man. He's just such a great artist, and he writes these awesome songs that are relevant to the times that we're in, but they kind of have this retro feel, and he tries to make it feel like it's old school rock and hip hop merged together. It's pretty cool. I'll link to that guy. I'll link in the description below. You guys go check out Adam DeLisi, man. He's an awesome dude. Anyway, so the trick to doing this type of work for your living is planning. Okay, planning. I've got a plan for you to get some planning. Go here right now. 90 days free of the Learn Pro Recording trial membership. Go to learnprorecording.com/trial. Sign up. It's free for 90 days. 3 months free. But as long as you sign up before December 31st, 2022, which is coming up in 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks from today. Oh my gosh. Next week is Christmas. Oh, are we ready? I don't think so. Here I am. I'm talking to you guys about planning, okay? And I don't plan, man. I go shopping for Christmas on Christmas Eve because I like punishment. I like to go out there with all the other dads that either forgot or do that just for fun because it's kind of like camping. Not really. It's just it's depressing is what it is, man. You go shopping on Christmas Eve. It's pretty depressing because all the cool stuff that you thought you were gonna get for the kids, yeah, they're out. And they're not getting any more until next year, bro. So you're done. So no, it's just that's been a tradition in our family for as long as the family's been around. My son and I have this thing. We go shop on Christmas Eve. It's a great day. We hang out. We go to lunch. We talk. We shop. And my wife is really super easy to shop for because she gives us a list. She tells us what store to go to, what color, what size, what aisle the thing is on that she wants. If there's coupons involved, she includes a coupon in the list so we don't miss. We don't mess up. We get mama exactly what mama wants, and mama likes that. So that's how that works. Again, that's planning, right? Yeah. So no, look, this job, man, is all about planning. Planning your sessions, planning your day. Understand, okay, at this time, when I get here, I'm going to do this. When I got a session booked at 10 a.m., after that session is over at 1 p.m., I've got an hour before my next session. You have to plan your day. You have to plan your sessions. Plan everything. Have a plan. Write stuff down, man. Look, I got a notepad right here. I'm writing stuff down all the time. Constantly writing things down. There are tons of things you can do in the planning stage, getting ready for the band to come in. Of course, things may change when they get here. They may bring their own guitar cabinet. You've never seen this cabinet. You never heard it. You don't know what mic feels good on it. You know what mic feels good on your guitar cabinet because you've been miking it up for years, whatever, So you get that. But they might come in with something different, and now you have to try. You may not have ever worked with the singer, so you don't know what microphone she's going to use. You don't know what microphone is her favorite. She didn't specify in the booking which microphone she wanted to use, so you might have a couple of microphones up ready to audition. You know what I mean? But as far as that, you can still have plan. That's still a plan. Okay, I've got a female singer. Let me see. These 3 microphones might work great for a female singer. Let me try those. So it just makes your day as a studio owner, producer, audio engineer go by very quickly, and you're planning. So you've already got an idea. You already understand. That's kind of why I was playing the song earlier. So no offense to Mr. Led Zeppelin, guys. Thank you for letting me use your song. I'll actually put a note down there so I don't get copyright, kicked off YouTube again. For copyright stuff, whatever. I got kicked off YouTube one. Oh, they didn't kick me off. They demonetized a video. And it's really funny because I don't monetize my videos. I don't know if you guys realize that. I don't monetize my videos. I don't want ads in the middle of my videos. No offense to anybody that does. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm just looking to help you guys out and give you some free stuff. Speaking of free stuff, go grab it. It's right there. Look at the free stuff. Look, 90 days free in the membership and community. Dude, the membership is getting so good. It's every week something gets in there, something gets bigger, something gets better. There's more. I put 6 templates in there yesterday. So you guys go grab your templates, man. They're there for you to download. Go sign up for free. 3 months. Look at everything. See everything. There's master classes. There's workshops. There's the group coaching calls from months past. Go check that out. It is awesome. LearnProRecording.com/trial. 100% free for 3 full months. After the 3 months, I was going to tell you, December 31st, January 1st, the price is going up. But if you guys sign up right now, it's going to grandfather you into the price it is now, which is $27. January 1st is going up to $47. It's just going up $20. Still worth the price of admission, but save the $20. Get in now. Just get in, stay in, enjoy. Reach out in the community. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything that you've seen, anything you've run into in the hundreds of YouTube videos we got out there. So, but look, this keeps growing. This keeps going. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate you. We're gonna have one more of these before the end of the year. I'll talk to you guys next week, New Year's Eve actually. We actually have a band booked for New Year's Eve. It's a band that they've been booking for the last 8 years here, and it's kind of a tradition now. It's become a tradition where this band comes in, they record a song. It's their kickoff to the new year, and it's awesome. And we have such a great time. This band is they're great people, man. Their music's awesome. I'll put it next week. We'll talk about them. Maybe I'll feature them on the video next week. That might be cool. I'll ask them if that's okay if we do that. Maybe throw a couple of things in there. But for now, go sign up to the free trial. Get on that. Get in it. Enjoy it. Hey, if you don't want to pay the 27 bucks, get out before your 3 months is up. Won't cost you a penny. Okay? I appreciate you guys. Have a great week. Enjoy Christmas. If you guys are going away to friends and families for Christmas and you don't get a chance to see my video next week, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Have a good time. You guys, I am Donnie B. Learn Pro Recording. I'm out of here. We'll see you next week. Peace.